Well, I am at Bauman's Farm and Garden with Brian, and Brian, today is a special day and it's a new event for you guys.
We are so excited. I've been working all winter. I've been so excited for spring that it was like, okay, we need to have a spring kickoff event. So we're calling it our Garden Jumpstart.
Fun. And I see you have cheat notes here.
Oh my goodness, we have so much stuff. I tried to memorize everything we were going to talk about. I couldn't do it. We have a lot of stuff going on today.
All right,
I'm
what's
really
going
excited.
on?
So from 10 o'clock today until 1 o'clock, we're going to have different vendors and speakers coming in to talk to you about a whole bunch of different things that are on special today at Bauman Farms.
Oh, fun.
So first off, at 10 o'clock, we have Kellogg Garden Products is going to come out and talk about their Harvest Supreme Soil Amendment Mix, which is great for planting your plants. Kind of a great base to get us started for the day. And today only, it's buy 3 bags, you get 1 free.
Oh, perfect.
And then from there, we're going to move on to Bailey Nursery. And they've got, we've kind of talked a lot about these new blueberries coming out. Great for container gardening. There's one that produces all summer now.
Wow.
So she's going to kind of walk us through all those different blueberries that are now on the market.
Nice.
And then, well, how are we going to transplant them and transplant
We
starter
need
and
something.
fertilizer? So we have Espoma coming out to talk about their Biotone Starter Plus, and then also their soil acidifier, which is going to help us kind of fertilize our blueberries throughout the season. And the soil acidifier, see, I got to look at my notes.
Of course.
$7.99 today at Bauman Farms. I was checking my notes from last year. Our #1 selling shrub from last year, hardy gardenias.
Oh, look at them.
Do you have one at your yard?
I don't, but I enjoy my neighbors.
Well,
but I should get one too.
I know where you can get one on special today. But this is frost-proof gardenia. The smell is fantastic. This is my favorite hardy gardenia. We have Youngblood coming out to talk about it. And I like it because it has that nice, big, full blossom. And the fragrance is amazing.
It is beautiful. And then I know that you'll have all the wonderful things you have here at Bauman's. You'll have the bakery open and cider. Look at your new bottles of cider. That's so exciting.
We have lots of stuff going on today. And potteries, buy one, get one half off. Rhododendrons are 40% off today.
They're beautiful.
And I'm really excited. Garden Palooza is coming up.
I know. And so something special for them we can teach.
Do you remember last year we talked about those brand new strawberries, bubble berries, taste like bubble gum?
Yeah.
I sold out in like 2 hours. I have 1,000 plants ready to go for Garden Palooza.
So you heard it from Brian himself. Come out today to Bauman's Farm and Garden. Have a great time. And then we'll also see him at Garden Palooza.
Woohoo!
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.